Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Every couple of days, AI video tools take another massive leap forward, and honestly, I think we have finally crossed the line where I can use AI daily as part of my real editing workflow, not just for experiments, but for actual client and YouTube projects. What I'm talking about here isn't just better visuals, it's storytelling. You can now upload a photo of yourself or a client, drop them directly into a movie scene, change the background, the foreground, the lighting, even what they are holding. Can you believe it? All while keeping the person consistent. And that consistency is the key. If you're creating videos in 2026, the biggest limitation isn't ideas, it's execution speed. And that's exactly what Nano Banana Pro by Higgsfield solves. Nano Banana Pro is a next generation AI visual editor that lets you transform images and scenes into cinematic, story driven visuals in minutes. You can replace characters, swap environments, relight shots, and generate custom B-roll that actually matches your narrative without complex software or a production team. What makes Nano Banana Pro different isn't just quality, it's control. Most AI tools either hallucinate or censor creative ideas. Nano Banana Pro gives you precise results while maintaining realism, style, visual coherence. If you ask for a change, you actually get what you asked for. If you can see, I have just put a prompt here. I will just click on generate. Let's see how it comes. I think it takes a couple of seconds, but I'm sure it will be worth it. Most AI tools doesn't do that, but it does. AI video has moved fast over the last year, but until now it still felt unpredictable. Great clips followed by unusable ones, strong motion but broken continuity, cool demos but hard to use in real workflows. Kling 2.6 fixes that. Kling 2.6 is about reliability, realism, and control. The three things creators actually need to ship videos consistently. With Clip 2.6, motion feels natural, camera movement smoother, physics, gestures, and pacing finally make sense. The output looks less like a AI experiment and more like something you would actually publish. But the real upgrade is how usable it is. If I copy this prompt here, I can add maybe some, you know. Kling 2.6 is about reliability. Kling 2.6 doesn't force you to reinvent your workflow. You generate clips that drop directly into your edit, whether that's YouTube, short form ads, or cinematic storytelling. This makes Kling 2.6 perfect for creators who care about visual quality, faceless channels, scaling content, agencies producing fast turnaround, brands that keep premium video without reshoots. Instead of fighting prompts and regenerating endlessly, you get consistent results that respect your intent. You describe the scene, Kling 2.6 brings it to life. And when you pair Kling 2.6 with modern AI image tools, you unlock a full pipeline from still frames to motion, from idea to finished video without cruise cameras or massive budgets. This isn't about flashy demos anymore, it's about production ready AI video. For decades, cinematic video has been locked behind expensive gear, large crews, and complex software. If you want film level visuals, you need a studio. Cinema Studio by Higgsfield AI changes that. Cinema Studio is an all-in-one AI filmmaking environment designed for creators who care about story, consistency, and cinematic control. It lets you design scenes, lock characters, control lighting, and generate production-ready visuals without camera, sets, or a production team. This isn't about random AI clips; it's about directing. With Cinema Studio, you don't just prompt, you build scenes, you define your characters once and keep them consistent across shots. You control environments, composition, lighting, and camera movement like a real film set, but entirely inside AI. That's the difference. Most AI tools feel like gambling. You generate, regenerate, and hope something usable appears. Is that you? Cinema Studio feels intentional. You start with the frame, you design the look, you control the style, and every output respects those creative decisions. This is huge for YouTubers creating cinematic storytelling content, agencies delivering premium visuals at scale, faceless channels, filmmakers. Instead of searching endlessly for stock footage, you generate exactly what the story needs every time, and the Cinema Studio doesn't replace your workflow, fits into it. Generate your shots, Export clean assets, drop them into your editor, and keep moving. Faster timelines, higher consistency, better visuals. The real power is how everything connects. Images turns into scenes, scenes turns into sequences, sequences turns into full cinematic narratives. From a single idea, you can create an entire visual world, and because everything is AI driven, iteration becomes instant. Want to change the lighting, the environment, the camera angle? You don't reshoot. What do? You revise. This is the future of filmmaking. Not AI replacing creativity, but AI removing friction between imagination and execution. If you can imagine the scene, you can build it. If you can tell the story, Cinema Studio can visualize it. Cinema Studio by Higgsfield AI. Direct the scene, control the story, create the cinema.